Hey guys, today I am here with the brand new Cabbage Patch Kids Little Sprouts collectible figures. How cool is this? They're gonna have blind bags and play sets and everything's gonna be super fun. So I have two of the 4-pack friend sets here. You get a kid, a baby, a pet, and a hidden accessory. So this is the first time I'll be opening these, so whoopsies. Let me go ahead and flip it to the back here. So let's read a little about it. It says, the Little Sprouts world is bustling with neighborhood pals and big-time fun. Skip along the friend-filled streets and snuggle with lovable furry pets and help sweet babies stay healthy and grow. There's so much to do, see, and cuddle. But when the school bell rings, it's time to dash to class to discover, learn, and play. Collect all the Little Sprouts kid, baby, and pet figures and set off on an exciting new adventure every day. Collector guide inside. And like here's an example of the collector guides. There's 120 to collect, including rare and ultra rare sprouts. And then here's some, I guess, of the play sets coming up. The Cabbage Academy, the Little Patch Vet Center, and the Babyland General Hospital. You guys will definitely have to let me know if you want to see more of these. I think these are going to be so cute. They're definitely promising. So let's go ahead and get these open so we can take a closer look at them. In each pack you get a little checklist here, Series 1 and Series 2 it says on there. So I don't know if they're releasing them at the same time or what's happening there. But these are Series 1 packs. Wow. Wow. Okay. There's so many of them. You guys. Okay, let's see. If it's pink, it's Series 1. If it's blue, it's Series 2. So we have the first 2 rows are the kids. And then we have the rare and ultra rare over here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's so many cute ones. And then the next 2 rows are babies. And then a little bit of baby on this row, and then the rest pets, which obviously I have to get all the pets. I think it's so funny. They're so cute, but all the ultra rare are pets, so obviously I'm going to have a hard time getting all of those. But let's go ahead and take a look at our first girl here. So this might take a minute for me to find her on the checklist. Oh no, this is Colleen Aaron. She's number 9. She is so cool. So these are really neat. Their waists can move. Can their heads move? I think their heads might be able to move. She just can't because she has really long hair. And then do their arms move? No. But that's really cool that their waists can move. That's super fun. Okay, let me put her back there. And then in that pack she got her little pet friend here. And this is Bella. She's so cute. And the pets don't do anything. They don't move or anything. They're so cute though. I really love the pets. And then we have the baby. The baby is so cute, and I think, why is this not focusing? I think that this would make a really good baby, universal baby. Like for if you want babies for Barbies or you want babies for other dolls, I think this is such a nice little baby size. I know I used to love having babies for my Barbies and stuff when I was growing up, but I think this would just make a perfect like little newborn size. I think that would be fun. But anyway, beside the point, I think this is Mara Riley. I think. She looks like Mara Riley. Number 51. And then Bella back there was number 92. Super cute. So their legs just move. I like how she has little socks on. The heads don't move. So basically just the legs / waist moves. Okay, let's see what our accessory is. Is this just a stand? Did we literally just get a stand for an accessory? Oh, it's a pizza. It's just a pizza. Oh, that's interesting. I noticed something. The baby has a little hole in the mouth, so I'm thinking maybe a possible accessory would be a bottle. But we got a pizza. So I mean, giant pizzas for the win. Let's go ahead and open the next, or look at the next pack. So we have this cutie next. And this looks like, oh gosh, I don't know how to say her name. Adair Monroe. Adair. I don't know if it's Adair or Adair. She's really cute. So her head can probably, yep, her head can move. Her waist can still move as well too. So that's awesome. Just the ones with the long hair can't move their heads. And they're really detailed and really nicely painted. This is really awesome. I really like these. I didn't know if I would, but I do. I do. And then let's go ahead and look at the baby. So adorable. This one's gonna be a little bit harder to find here on the list. Okay, this is Taylor Rose. Taylor Rose. And again, her feet move like that so she can sit, she can stand. Well, probably not stand, but you know what I mean. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at the pet. Oh my gosh, look at the little pet. Who is this? It could be Sadie? No, wait. No, Sadie's series 2, so it has to be Penny. I'm gonna say it's Penny. But Penny has a dark ear. I don't know who this is. No idea who this is. I'm gonna go with Penny, but I'm not sure if that's who it is. So she's really, really cute. And then we have our accessory, which is, it's like a little purse. That's cute. So she can hold it like that. She's like, oh, ready to go to the mall. Yay. So fun. You guys will have to let me know which is your favorite. The kids, the babies, or the pets. Or even the hidden accessories. I definitely love the pets the most. But I just think this is so cool. These are such cool little dolls and cool little figures, I guess I should say. And I like how they have names. I like how they're so detailed and nicely painted. These are really good toys, you guys. These are good. I like these. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below and which size of them is your favorite. Do you like the kid, the baby, or the pet better? Or, I mean, if you like them all, you can let me know you like them all. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I post new videos every single day. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!